Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I am obsessed with all things skincare and beauty related. And today I'm really excited to talk to you guys about the new KKW Beauty Diamond Perfume Collection. Now, if you guys don't know, KKW Beauty belongs to Kim Kardashian West, and she makes makeup and she'll release a lot of really good smelling perfumes. In the past, I do have her Crystal Gardenia Oud perfume, and I really liked it. And when I saw that Kim, Khloe, and Kourtney came out with their own scents for KKW Beauty, that's really exciting because they do make like the best florally girly scents, especially like Kim with her Gardenia line. So if you have not done so already, before I get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification, comment down below, and join my YouTube family. We have so much fun on here, and I would really appreciate it if you guys can join me in having fun. Now, out of the 3 scents, let me just pull this up for you. I did purchase this at Ulta, and for some reason I was having a hard time finding it on the Ulta website. I don't know why, but today I wanted to do an unboxing with you. I'm going to spritz it all over my body, and I'm just curious to see how long this odor is gonna hold up throughout the night. Now, the product is $40, and in the perfume world, in like maybe a more of a luxurious perfume world, that's pretty good for a perfume. Kourtney's is yellow, Kim's I believe is clear, and Khloe is the pink one, and that's the one that I chose. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you right now. It comes in this like really cool pink boxing. I believe I saw the boxes were all like colored based on the color of the bottle. So Khloe's was obviously the pink, which I found kind of interesting because, I don't know, I feel like Khloe would have been like the yellow or something, but. So I just took the plastic off, and everything is kind of like very monochromatic, and it does say KKW Fragrance Diamonds by Kourtney, by Kim, by Khloe here, if you could see it in the camera. The box itself is very matte looking with a little bit of a sheen where it says, you know, the names of the sisters, but it's also very soft and luxe feeling. So this is definitely, I really truly believe, nice packaging. I mean, it doesn't feel like cardboard at all. It's just very soft. And right here, it's going to say Khloe, if you can make that out in my camera. Very KKW Beauty type of packaging. The shelf life on this product is 36 months. So you will have a lot of time to use up this perfume. I guess we're gonna try to open it. And then you just kind of put your finger here and you pull the product out. Oh my God, so freaking nice. And just before I forget, the back also will say the name. You get 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce of the perfume for $40. So inside you are going to see the actual component right here. It's set in this like really nice feeling velvet packaging. So I think that's really pretty. And then you have like, you could pull the product out here. So I like that a lot. I personally like that because when you buy perfumes, sometimes they're so packaged in like this cardboard and tape and like plastic. It's hard to actually get the component out of the box. So right off the bat, this presentation of this product is very luxe and very easy to use. So I love the way, so I'm just gonna pull this product out. If you have coffin nails like me, it's still not gonna be easy, but girl, oh, actually no, it still wasn't even that bad. So here's the packaging when you take it out. Still very nice. There's not like any type of like special card from Khloe talking about her perfume. There's no like special personal touches with this perfume. So that's the only thing I wanted to note. I know Kylie likes to do that. I don't know if Kim does that. I kind of like that they didn't add personal touches here because I feel like odor and perfumes are so personal to people the way it is that it would make sense that they don't need to put an additional note. They're giving you their personal scent. So I think that in of itself is very nice. I'm very happy with the packaging, very classy. So here's the components. It is this gorgeous diamond. Like, how pretty is this? It's so gorgeous. I do have to say though, see the bottom of the package isn't like flat, so you're not gonna be able to kind of stand it up on your vanity. You're going to have to lay it on its back. So the front is more of like a crystal like the diamond itself, but then the back is a little more flat, and I'm assuming that's how you would lay it on your vanity. So I do kind of wish that it would present itself with a flat top so it could stand up, just because the packaging is just so beautiful that I would like it to have more of an effect on my nightstand, but that's okay. It is what it is. So Khloe's, I want to read you a little bit about her fragrance, her specific fragrance. We're only going to talk about Khloe's today because that's the one that I have in my hands. It says, a transparent floral bouquet. Pink diamond lights up a room with hues of soft, romantic pink and nuances of sheer sensuality. Like the explosive shine of a diamond, the fragrance opens with pure luminosity and freshness that is faceated with accords of morning dew and beaming Italian bergamot. A sparkling pink puff violet accord glimmers and reflects with a crystal-like transparency. Guys, I feel fancy already. I feel so like girly and like classy. I mean, it just feels like, I love the presentation of the product. I do, it's very nice. So it says opening, morning dew accord, Italian bergamot, sparkling pink puff violet accord. The heart is pink sapphire tuberose, blushing jasmine, sweet lilac blossoms. You guys, I love the smell of jasmine, and I love the smell of lilac. So I have a feeling this is probably why I naturally gravitated towards the smell of this product. Because remember, when you're shopping perfumes, you're shopping smell. So it's very obvious to me why I chose this product. So the finish is a sensual cloud musk, dreamy white moss, and a sun-drenched driftwood. Okay, that sounds very pretty. So there is a little bit of a musky smell to this, but honestly, the mixture and the combination is just so beautiful. Okay, so this is not a twist off. You're gonna open it like that. And then of course, there is the beautiful like little product inside. $40. I think, you guys, this is a really beautiful setup. As you can see, here's the spritz. What I plan on doing today is I'm going to just drench my whole body in this, and I'm gonna wear this out tonight, and I'm gonna see how well this product holds out. I'm also gonna ask my husband if he could still smell it on me throughout the night. Like, guys, we're gonna really test this out, but so far I'm loving what I'm seeing. Here's this, I'm gonna put my arm here, but I wanna show you guys, I hope you guys can see the spritz itself, the first spritz. Pretty. Oh my God, I love the way this smells. Like, I'm just rubbing it all over my arms. It smells so good. I'm gonna cover my Chanel brooch though. It almost smells like sweet candy, but not exactly. It's just really, really beautiful. I'm gonna spray it like here. Okay, girl. And we're gonna put it in my hair, in the back. Oh, I really smell this product now. This is stunning. And I'm just gonna put like it on the back of my neck here. Be careful when you apply perfumes. You definitely don't wanna get any perfume on your face from a skincare standpoint, because perfumes are made heavily with alcohol, and alcohol is very drying. So try not to get your face, for a good skincare tip. You guys, I'm obsessed. As of right now, I'm obsessed. I'm wearing this out, and I'm gonna check back in with you guys to see if Khloe's perfume held up nice. I always preferred like Miss Courtney because I don't know, I just always was able to relate to her more. And then of course, Kim and Khloe are great also, but that's just a fun tidbit. When you do put the lid back on this product though, just make sure that you're putting it on the right side, because just like the way the bottle's shaped, the cap is also shaped like with the flat back and then more of the diamond embezzlement up front. So you just kind of want to match up the front of the diamond with the cap so all sides are even, and that way when you lay it down, it's going to be completely flat. Gorgeous. I'm going to be in touch. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye. Okay, I have our 𝗦𝗢𝗟 with me, and it has been 4 hours since I applied the Khloe Kardashian Miss Khloe Kardashian. And so anyway, it's been 4 hours since I've had her Diamond KKW Beauty fragrance on. Georgie, I want you to do a smell test. I want you to let me know, is the smell still strong? Is it still present?
Honestly, I could already smell it from here.
Oh, really?
It smells pretty good. It really does.
Do you like the way it smells? It's like candy or floral or something.
It's sweet, florally, and it's just
so good.
No, it's really good.
It's unique. It's just so unique. So
it
you
smells
think it's
like Britney
still on?
Spears Fantasy. I'm kidding.
Okay.
It smells like Love Spell.
Oh, does it smell like
no,
Love
but it really
Spell?
smells. It smells.
Good. I love Love Spell, but I won't wear it. Because it's just, I wore a Love Spell when I was a teenager. Classic. Anyway, back to Khloe. Okay, yeah, so it's still strong.
It's definitely
It's
strong.
holding its
I wouldn't
odor.
say that it's like an extreme, like radiant like sense, but actually, you want to know what?
What?
If I'm standing this close to it, I can smell it. And it's a good scent. So I
Okay,
spend
you
good
know
money
more
on
about
clones,
perfume. Yeah, you know
and,
more about clothes and perfumes than I do.
Like they'll die after a couple hours. So I feel like it's been 5 hours, 4 hours for you.
Yeah, $40.
Pretty good.
$40 for an ounce. That's not bad.
$40 for Miss Khloe.
Miss Khloe, girl, come through. All right.
Kim.
Say
Was it
goodbye to her.
KKW?
KKW Beauty. Yeah.
I might get the Courtney one. We'll see.
Ah, yes. Bye, guys. So it has been 6 hours since I applied Miss Khloe Kardashian's KKW Fragrance Diamond Collection. And I wore it all night, and as you saw at the gathering, I was with 𝗦𝗢𝗟, and the whole entire night, he would just keep smell checking me, and I would have my husband smell me, and honestly, the scent of this product has lasted 6 hours comfortably. You could definitely smell it on me. I could even smell it on me. I did spray myself a lot with it, so I don't know how like 1 or 2 sprays are gonna do, but as far as throughout the night, it was definitely, and it still is, very prominent. So I do have to say, this is a really, really great and lovely perfume. I'm really happy with it from top to bottom, between the packaging presentation, the actual components and how beautiful it is, to right down to the actual fragrance and how long the fragrance lasts. I really think that this is one of their best creations yet. The only thing I don't like about it, but it's really not even that I don't like it, it's just very, very minor. This because I think this component is so pretty, I wish it didn't get put down like this. I wish there was a way that it could stand up like this. Because I think the component is so beautiful, to have it standing up on your vanity when you walk in the room, I think is honestly just too pretty to keep laid down like this. I'm sure the Kardashian women have a good reason as to why they would like the component to be flat on its back versus standing up. But for me, I just love this packaging so much. I would love to see it as soon as I walk in the room. So that is what I have to say. I wholeheartedly love and recommend this item. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you if you are a perfume lover, because I think videos like this are so helpful. I know YouTube is a place that I definitely go to first when it comes to purchasing an item, because I love watching the reviews. So I'm always trying to give you guys the best, most in-depth reviews possible, and good luck shopping out there. Until next time, love you. Bye.